Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
What's up, tech fans? Welcome back to Quora, where we dive into the world of innovative companies that are disrupting industries and making waves in the process. Today, we're going to talk about two of the best-performing stocks on the S&P 500 index over the last decade. We're not just looking at any old stocks here. Folks, these are companies that have seen explosive growth in recent years, driven by some of the most exciting tech trends out there. First up, we've got Nvidia, the gold standard for graphics processing units, or GPUs, when it comes to training artificial intelligence models and deploying AI applications. This company has been on a tear since the advent of generative AI about 3 years ago. And let me tell you, their results are nothing short of impressive. In its fiscal second quarter, Nvidia's revenue soared 56% year-over-year to $46.7 billion. That's huge. Growth was driven by a 56% surge in AI-driven data center revenue to $41.1 billion, which was 88% of total revenue. The gaming, professional visualization, and auto platforms grew revenue 49%, 32%, and 69%, respectively. But what really stands out here is the company's ability to pivot quickly in response to changing market conditions. Despite not selling any H20 data center AI chips to China due to export controls, Nvidia still managed to deliver an adjusted net income of $25.8 billion, which translates to a 54% leap in earnings per share. Now, you might be wondering what makes Nvidia so special. Well, it's all about their GPUs, baby. These babies are considered the gold standard for AI training and deployment, and companies like Google, Facebook, and Amazon are clamoring to get their hands on them. But Nvidia isn't the only player in this space. We've also got AMD, which competes with Nvidia in the discrete GPU market. And while AMD trails Nvidia considerably in the AI-driven data center GPU market, it's still making a strong push into this space. In its second quarter, AMD's revenue grew 32% year-over-year to $7.69 billion. By segment, revenue growth was data center, 14% to $3.2 billion, client, 67% to $2.5 billion, gaming, 73% to $1.1 billion, and embedded, -4% to $824 million. Now, AMD's got its work cut out for it. The company's profit was hurt by export controls, which took inventory and related charges of about $800 million. But despite this hurdle, AMD's longer-term picture looks bright. So, what does this mean for investors? Well, these stocks are all worth considering buying, especially Nvidia. They're growth stock powerhouses that have shown incredible resilience in the face of market volatility. But before we move on to the next company, let me give you a quick rundown of the other 4 stocks making our list. We've got Arista, which is leading the charge in cloud networking solutions for large data centers and enterprise campuses. Then there's Broadcom, which makes semiconductors and infrastructure software that's driving AI demand like gangbusters. And last but not least, we've got Axon, a company that develops weapons and related technology products for law enforcement, military, and consumer markets. They're the makers of tasers, body-worn cameras, and other hardware and software products that are seeing strong adoption. So there you have it, 4 incredible companies that are making waves in their respective industries. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these stocks are definitely worth keeping an eye on. Thanks for tuning into Quora. If you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content. And if you've got any questions about Nvidia or the other companies we discussed today, hit me up in the comments below.